Everyone. So few weeks ago, the Atela network launched their mainnet. What does it mean? You can actively trade and engage, interact with the Atela network ecosystem on chain. Okay, so there has been a lot of development since the launch of the Atela network. So one of the major developments of the Atela network mainnet launch is the accumulated finance. So the accumulated finance is an omni-chain modular liquid staking protocol built on so that it actually accommodates the Atela network in its ecosystem. So now I would give you this video is meant to teach you or to guide you on how to engage with the accumulated finance project ahead of their airdrop and to maximize your Atela holding. Okay. Now, when I got my Atela airdrop, it was basically 944 pieces. So I sold and bought back when the price was cheap. I bought back and I staked. But my staking is not enough to give me the expected XP. Or according to the team, the XP will be given every 2 weeks. So every two weeks, you get the ACFI XP. That's the accumulated finance, their token. The XP they award it every two weeks. In this, how you accumulate this XP is per every $50 you have staked. Every $50 you have staked on accumulated finance awards you 2 XP per week. 2 XP per week. So in 2 weeks you have for just that way. And I had soon it will become scarce. But before that comes up, so this opportunity would make you earn more Atela as reward for staking and position you too for the ACFI airdrop. Work with me. I believe you can see my screen. This is the ACFI. So can just um go now. Okay, so this is it. I'm already connected. My wallet is already connected and I'm on the Atela network mainnet. So uh, now I staked what I staked was around the $36 then. That's about 1,000 over 1,900 pieces of Atela then. Now it isn't enough and I need to accumulate these SPs as much as possible. So I bought more to add to make it up for what I need. So now what I have here is 1,174. As you can see, that's what is unstaked on my phone, on my wallet. What is unstaked on my wallet is 1,174. Now, first off, before we stake, we have to mint uh, the stake wrapped Adela. So that's what we're going to mint it now. And how do we mint it? You see the Adela here. It's more like it's just a basic swap. When you do wrapped ETH, you remember wrapped ETH and ETH, you just wrap and to unwrap. So that's basically what we're doing here. So we're going to wrap this Atela with staking. That is why it is called that is why we have this is a staking protocol. So once you stake, what you have is staked Atela. Now let's take what we have here. I'm not going to use all. I'm going to leave some for this is what I'm going to put here. Now, you will receive 1,170 staked art. So I will mint. Okay, confirm, confirm. So it's already minting. You can see it here, it's already minting. Okay, let's see if the minting is done. So the minting is done. You can see the available balance has reduced. So now, once you have minted the ST art, you move to stake here. You move to stake. See the ST, the ST art. See it here, 1,170. So I'm going to stake it. Why I don't need to approve again is because I've approved a transaction like this before. So I don't need to approve it again. So now I just move to stake. But if this is your first time staking on this protocol, you will need to approve your transaction before you actually do the staking. So here, I'll stake. So I will confirm and confirm. Transaction sent. Once it gets approved now, you will see this value will change. You see what I have below here is 1927. That's the originally staked wrap staked art. That's what I have there originally. You see, it has adjusted to, you see the adjustment, it has adjusted to 3014 wrap staked. Then in staked, when it when it is as staked Atela, you have 3024. But in all, the original value of the Atela I staked here is about 3,000 to 3,210 is the original value of what I have, total of what I've staked. But then I have 3,245. So like it keeps accumulating. The longer you stay here, the longer you have your Atela staked, it keeps increasing in number and of course value as the price of Atela keeps going up. And then you position yourself for the ACFI token airdrop on Atela. So now I'm going to register here. If is there need for registration? Okay, now I will need to register my wallet, my account here on the ACFI SP hub. So I click on here. I go to ACFI SP hub. You can see what I mentioned earlier. $50 of any liquid staking or is equal to 2 ACFI SP per week. Okay, so let's go. Early bird boost applied. That's 2x. You will receive 2 to 5x more points. The boost will gradually decrease as protocol total value increases. Okay, so let's go. Let's sign message for that. So like this, I am registered. So every week I will be receiving my SP every week. My account will receive my SP. So and they take snapshots by weekly, like every 2 weeks they take the snapshots. So once they take the snapshots, they credit your SP, and that goes on until the ACFI token launch on which will come subsequently. Now, the good thing is it is not only, like I mentioned, I said EVM. So it is not only Atela that it supports, right? So you have Say here, you have Rose here, you have Zeta here, you have Manta. This is Atela, and ETH itself. You have them here. So this is all you need to know about the accumulated finance SP reward for both Atela stakers and other EVM stakers. Thank you. If this video was helpful, please do give us a subscribe, like, and share to your community. Thank you.